Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing from Nadine West. This is a monthly clothing subscription, which I really like. Everything comes really nicely packaged. Inside we have a little invoice. It gives us a list of all the products, how much they cost, and if there's anything that doesn't fit or you don't like it, you just put it back in the bag that it came in, put the return label over it, which is provided with each bag, and they will not charge you for what you return. So very simple. I'll show you that at the end if you want to see the prices of the items. Looks like we got 2 tops this time. Typically I've been getting like a top, a bottom, and then jewelry. Last month we got a scarf. So we'll start here first. I think these are leggings. These are really pretty. Tummy control, high waist leggings, body shaping and slimming, fleece to keep you warm. That is awesome. You can tell these are very nice and thick, and I love the color. It's a maroon with some black lines going through it. These are very nice and thick. Yep, and they are fleece on the inside. I'm so excited for those. And it's in color, in a color that I really love. So she got that right. You take a profile so you can kind of tell them like the colors and styles and stuff that you like. Next we'll do jewelry since that's what's on top. Oh wow, those are pretty. So here are the earrings. Those are really pretty. I like these a lot. Then this is probably a necklace. I love the feathers. It's a style I would definitely wear. Very pretty. And then a bracelet. This looks really fun. It's all linked together. Let's see if I can get it on my wrist. I have pretty small wrists. There we go. I like that. That's neat. And it's pretty comfortable. So I got that, and then there's 2 tops. I love this, and this would go really nice with the pants. So it's a plain black top on the back, and the front it has this little crisscross pattern. I really like that. And it's pretty long, so it's perfect to wear with leggings. I know it's kind of hard to see probably on camera. So I love that shirt. Ooh, this looks fun. And this is a regular t-shirt. I love the hint of green. I'm pretty boring when it comes to clothing. I wear a lot of black and gray, but I like that this has a pop of color on it, and I like that the sleeves are striped. This is cute. So yeah, I definitely love everything that came this month. I've gotten several packages from this company, so I'll leave a playlist below if you want to see some of the other types of stuff I've gotten. But here is that sheet of paper. So the black shirt is $27.49. The gray and lime green one is $18.49. Leggings are $19.99. So it gives you all the prices. So very simple. If you need to return anything, like I said, whatever they receive back, they will not charge you for. So I love this idea. So I will put all their information below in case you're interested in signing up for a subscription. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.